What's up people, we are back at West Midlands Airsoft High Command, or better known as HC2 Retail. Come check them out, they're in the West Midlands, based in Netherton, which is near Dudley. They've got all of your airsoft needs, anything that you need, go check them out. They also have the brand new Jaeger Impact airsoft grenade, which is this what you're seeing on screen now, and it is retailed at $129.99. There is limited stock left of this first edition colour that they do. Today we're using my KWA Ronin 47 and my WE P226.
Honestly. Okay, get ready guys. Okay, all marks calls on it.
Let's do this.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Artlist IO.
Hey, shot.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yard, watch there. Watching that room there.
Artlist IO.
Good shot. No kill. Don't know which side. Can't see. I think the right side. Yeah, I can't push this. I'm holding. I'm trying to. Yeah, I'm trying to hold this doorway for teammates to come back. No kill.
I'm afraid you're both dead, boys.
Okay.
I'm going.
Hit! Good shot!
Ready?
tyre by the barrels on the left. Tyres, sorry, not barrels.
Cool. Oh, they're here. I'll take that. Good shot.
On the left. Good kill, good kill, good kill. With you, with you.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, watch your cross. In the window. Good shot, good shot. I think you're good. I think you're good. Try throwing one. I think the grenade got shot. There's a lot of blues going back to spawn. I'm not sure whether you got me, but I'll call it. Yeah. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Just so you didn't get shot. Shot, there's one. Sorry, I think I shot you in the back. And then